good one.
Oh, you missed it. Yeah, you missed it. Yeah, she-man.
Oh, have you seen that free Bentos advert? It's quite an old one, actually. The one with all the fat guys. We are man. Have you not seen that one? That was really funny.
Hey, you're cheating. We can only do real ones here.
Yeah, you cheat.
Just because I let you.
Hang on, I feel another one coming on. Who
I
wants
can feel one on the other end.
I don't know.
I'm kidding. Ooh, Jenny. No one wants to hear you farting anymore. This is a burping competition.
Right.
Oh, damn, didn't come.
Oh, that's a good one. Mine's gone. Hang on, it's gone. For God's sake, people!
It's like you were dying then. Just a competition, Chelsea. Chill out.
There we go. No, it was about to burp, but I still had some drink, so I kind of swallowed it. I do it all the time when I go to bed.
New talent, people. New talent. Chelsea, I think you should buy the next round. Considering you have £10.
You are my sunshine. Oh no, we've been filming like that, and I won't be able to turn it round. It'll be side. Nice one. I don't know if that would have gone on the camera. We can't film like this. We've been filming like this, haven't we? We have to film like this. I can't flip it. I mean, I could try flipping it, but
does it mean we'll just have to watch it upside down? That's alright.
No, like when it goes on YouTube, it'll be sideways.
That's fine. It's all good.
I'll
Take
see if
that out of your mouth, Jenny. Something.
Go. Oh yeah, let's play that game. Hang on.
Oh, I'm just betting this.
Shall we have a go? Who can throw these farthest? We'll all sit this end and blow them that way.
With your burps, though. Power of the burp.
Can you do a high-powered burp?
High-powered? What do you mean by high?
You really have to pull it out.
It's 20 past 10, so I'll be going to go Ken win calf at 22.
Oh, this lesson has gone so quick.
We blame you, Jenny.
Oh!
That was disappointing.
I was nearly sick with that actually, so that was quite good. Yeah, bit of coke. Woo! Extra points. Oh, lonely Jen.
She's a burper alone. Jenny, you haven't held the camera yet, should I?
The camera.
Jenny's not allowed.
I film. I want to do some crazy stuff.
No, because don't do crazy stuff, because you'll fuck up my camera.
I am now filming.
Oh no.
Why?
I'm losing it.
Well, I've got none left.
Miranda. Chelsea. Miranda. Chelsea. Miranda. Who will be next to burp? Oh, it was Chelsea.
Hey,
Right.
I'm well good today.
Okay, let's have a competition.
Oh shit, they're not a classroom. I've just been banging on the wall.
Yeah, there is.
The first one to burp out of you two,
Oh, hang on.
okay, will win. Okay?
Is that it?
No.
Hey, she
Ready?
Coke.
3,
I just
2.
wasted all mine.
Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Miranda. Oh, Chelsea! I've got itchy
Why are you
nose.
sucking up my hair? No. Kind of, no.
You never
Jenny,
bite
can I
them.
have my camera back?
Wait.
Alright, I'm gonna... Shall I throw it? If someone film me, shall I spit it down that way? No.
Chelsea, I'm sorry, you had been bumped down to number 2.
I know. if I get super-sized Cokes and stuff from McDonald's.
Hey, we should try that one day.
We could try that. We could actually.
We're gonna like have some
Belching disorder. Or
Yeah.
addicted to belching.
or like diabetes or something. Oh, hey,
No,
Jenny,
let me have a go.
do that.
Let me have a go. I want to
Open that mouth.
Hang on.
Oh,
hang
on
on.
the wall.
It's clean. The walls are clean.
No, right.
It's gonna build up your base with it. Open that bar and then.
Wait.
Where did it go? I can't tell on the camera.
That one's clean. That one's clean.
I can't even do it myself.
Just throw it down her top. Oh, Jenny, on Friday, all those millions were squished up on the seat.
That one went down on top.
They were down her top.
Okay, wait. Shall I start wasting these? I've
lost it.
I'm gonna. Oh,
It's a jungle
are we
down
gonna
there.
go show the others? Oh God, this has been going for like 11 minutes. Are we gonna show the others? Like when we.
Oh, please.
Hang on. I wanna go. Jenny.
Oh,
Jenny. Oh fuck this. Let's play rounders. I've got the bat. We got the ball.
Use a football with a lid on it. Okay, somebody film me and Chelsea play rounders. Can I hit it? Can I hit it?
Right. Hang on. Are you gonna be bowling, Jen?
No, I'm going to be batter.
You batting.
Who wants this? Who wants some smite?
Right. These are the balls.
Yep.
Alright, Miranda, are you gonna film this?
I will.
Okay.
Oh, I need a wee.
Wait, don't worry. So do I.
Up.
Right.
Wait, I'm going to kill myself.
I'm gonna have to stand here to get both. Yeah, Jenny, stand there. You can stay sitting down there, right? You're standing way too close to me. You're gonna get it in my hair. Right. You ready?
Wow, that was a good one. It's right there, people.
Go.
Stand right 2 meters.
Oh, strike one.
Strike one, Jen. We don't have that in round.
Oh, don't you?
No, round.
Sneaking.
Yeah.
Oh, that one smashed up.
This is evidence that rounders with Smarties is dangerous.
Ooh, there's another part to it, look.
If I see a picture, it's gonna stand like that, yeah?
Go.
Oh, I'm scared. I keep ducking. You're scary.
Jenny, come a bit forward. Woo, that was a good one. There it is.
More. Alright, okay, I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, yeah?